Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI PAD 5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into Tools folder, click on Clock and tap on this clock icon if it's not already on. Then tap on this +1 and set up an hour. When you're ready, select Repeat and tap on one of those options. Once daily, Monday to Friday, or Custom. I will go with Custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually and save them by tapping on OK. Then choose Label your alarm however you want to, click on OK and tap on Ringtone. Over here you can pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can also select all ringtones, tap on Apply next to one of them, like Alarm Sound, and save your changes by clicking on OK. You can also click on Choose Local Ringtone, pick one of those sources, like music, tap on the song that you wish to set up, click OK at the top right corner, choose Apply next to it over here, tap on OK and go back. Okay, it doesn't work sometimes, so I have to just repeat it. And now it's here. If you wish to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it and select one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, tap on the same one. If you wish to delete it, you can do that by holding it, choosing delete icon at the bottom, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!